friends, this is Shaheen. Today I am going to make a chicken dish. Many of my friends were demanding for it. Yes, it is butter chicken, which you all love very much. And come and see how to prepare butter chicken at home exactly like you get in the restaurant. Take a deep container for preparing butter chicken. These are 2 large spoons of oil. I am using rice bran oil. You require more oil to prepare such kind of gravies in which we use cashew nuts and watermelon seeds because they require more oil to get properly cooked. We can separate the oil afterwards also. Heat the oil. This gravy can be kept even outside the fridge for days together. Bay leaf, 1 or 2 bay leaves, or tej patta, this is cinnamon stick, or dalchini, few black peppers, kali mirch, this star, 1 large cardamom or doda ilaichi, 3 green cardamoms, hari ilaichi, cloves, the oil is hot. Just slow down the flame, and this is a paste of 4 onions which I have boiled, run in a mixer and sieved through a soup strainer, so I have got a fine paste. By doing this you will get a very fine textured gravy like we get in the restaurants, and we keep wondering that how do we get such gravy. So it is prepared like this. Now let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 minutes of cooking in oil, the onion has changed a little bit its color, and now we are going to add ginger and garlic paste, 4 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Cook it for another 2 minutes. And this is a puree of 4 large tomatoes which I've boiled, run in a mixer and sieved through a soup strainer. Same way like we have done with the onions. Now this is the time to add chili powder. Add according to your taste if you have young children. You can reduce the amount. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. Add according to your taste. And now we have to cook this gravy till we can see the oil on the sides. Then we will add curd to it and rest of the other things. So I think it will take about 5 minutes. This gravy takes a longer time to be cooked, but once it is cooked, you can keep it in the fridge or outside the fridge for days, for 7 to 8 days easily. But you just have to heat it, that's all. See, it took about 5 to 6 minutes. The time may differ. If you are cooking in a non-stick pan, it will take lesser time, and if you are cooking it in a simple normal pan, it may take longer time. And now this is the time we will going to add curd. Mix it properly. Now let the curd cook properly. This is garam masala. Ghee, 1 teaspoon. This is a rich gravy and not eaten daily, so we can have it once in a while. We can prepare this gravy a day before any party. Cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. This much paste we have got from cashew nuts and watermelon seeds. This gives thickness to the gravy, a very mild taste we get when we use cashew nuts. And now see to it, just give it a good mix. It has a tendency of getting burned quickly. After cooking it for 3-4 minutes, add water, about half a cup of water. There should be no lumps. Now add cream to it. You can reduce the amount of cream. This is the food color, orange red or tandoori food color. Authentic chicken is prepared like this, and if you want to avoid the food color you can, but I am telling and I am putting because it is made like that. And people demand to teach the authentic chicken, so according to the requirement, about 1 glass. And now on medium flame we have to cook this gravy till we get oil on top of it. Then we will finally add the mawa and kasuri methi and chicken. Okay, now it is almost 20 to 25 minutes. The gravy is cooked, oil has come on top of it. We can remove this oil like this. If it is in excess, we can easily remove it. I'll remove it afterwards. This is mawa or dehydrated milk. Mawa is also known as khoa or dehydrated milk. It is one of the most important ingredient that we require for butter chicken. Butter chicken is prepared in many ways, but this is a finger licking recipe. This is kasuri methi. Now add roasted chicken or tandoori chicken. You can also use the fried one, but this is the proper way. Just cook it for 2 minutes and then we will serve it. Now put off the flame. You can serve it with naan. Here's your butter chicken is ready. Enjoy it with naan, chapati or tandoori rotis. Thanks for watching the video and please do comment and do subscribe to see new recipes. Bye bye.